Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you what is T-Mobile Starlink, how it actually works, and whether it can really give you internet or texting anywhere. So if you want to understand this new satellite feature and what it means for your phone coverage, make sure that you watch this video till the very end. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I'm currently on the official page of T-Satellite. So T-Mobile Starlink is a satellite-based mobile service created through a partnership between T-Mobile and SpaceX Starlink network. The main goal here of this technology is to provide cell service in the areas where the traditional towers doesn't exist, such as the rural areas, the mountains, deserts, or the oceans. Normally, your phone connects to the nearby cell towers, but with T-Mobile Starlink, your phone can connect directly to the satellites in space when no tower signal is available. So these satellites act like orbiting cell towers and can send and receive the signals from the compatible phones on the ground. The first feature available with this service is satellite texting. This means if you are in a location with no cellular coverage, your phone can still send and receive the text messages using Starlink satellites. Over time, the T-Mobile plans to expand this service to include data services, messaging application, and possibly voice calls as the network improves. Another benefit is that the service is meant to fill the dead zones where normal coverage fails. Instead of replacing the regular cell towers, the satellite connection works as a backup network when no signal is available. So if this video helped you understand what T-Mobile Starlink is, how it actually works, make sure that you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.